Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a level 40 Mutadon. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Mutadon, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right about here, and we're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to curve it back for the eyebrow. Next, let's go ahead and make a little curve right here for the eye. Then we're going to make a couple little curves underneath here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Then right over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to go down here. Next, I'm going to make this line come up to a point. Then I'm going to make kind of like a bumpy line that's going to come back here, and it's going to curve up and then down. Then I'm going to curve this line down to here. We're going to come up and then down to here. I'm going to bring this line over, and we're going to curl it up around here for the jaw. Let's make a little line back here with a couple more little lines for the back of the mouth. And then we're going to make some sharp pointed teeth in here. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom too. I'll make a line that's just going to kind of curve down and up, and then come back down for the tongue. Now for the nose, let's bring this line around here, kind of color it in a little bit. They'll make a little broken line that's just going to kind of come down here. We'll make some more little broken lines right around here. Next, starting up here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to come down to here. And we'll make a couple little curved lines here. Now for the neck, we're going to start here by the jaw, and we're going to bring this line kind of down and then bring it up here. And we'll put a couple more little like curved lines here. Now over here, we're going to make the arm. So let's begin right here, and we're going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve back a little bit. I'm going to bring this line over, and then we're going to come down here to a point and up. We'll make another one here, and one more right here. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come all the way up here to a point, and then we're going to bring this back down here. Kind of shape out that wing. I'm going to bring this line up and then kind of curl it back. Then we're going to bring this line kind of down to here. Next, let's start here, and we're just going to bring a line that's going to come down for like the chest. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to make some little empty spaces in here, and then I'm going to kind of bring it down. Then we want to make the back leg here. Starting here by the wing, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to angle it back. We're going to make this line come down. We'll make a big curved claw right here. Then we'll make a couple little points right here. Then I'm going to bring this line up here, and we're going to curl it back up. Now over here, let's make the other arm. I'm going to make this line kind of come down, and then I'm going to curl it back to a point. We'll make another one here, and then we'll make one more right here. I'm going to bring this line up here, and we'll make a little line that's going to come up to here, and then we're just going to kind of like jump over here to a point and then bring it down. And then we'll make another line that comes down here, just to kind of show where that other wing is. Now, starting here for that other leg, let's bring a line down just a bit. Then we're going to angle this down. We'll make a big, sharp, curved claw, like we did on the other foot. We're going to make a line that's going to come down here, and then one more here. We're going to bring this over and then up. We're going to bring this at an angle and then come right back up here. Now for the tail, we're going to kind of bring this line down, leaving like some little spaces. I'm going to bring this up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then curve it to here. Now, on each one of these claws, we're going to make a little curve. And we'll add some extra little lines on each one just to make some little wrinkles. We'll also put these little curved claws and some extra lines on each of the feet too, so just where all the toes are. Now, let's add some fun details. Let's put some spikes on here. I'm going to make some kind of like curved spikes that just kind of go back like this. And I'm making them different sizes too. Some be a little bit bigger, some be a little smaller. I'm going to put some of these in these empty spaces on the tail as well. Next, I'm going to make another row of these spikes, some more kind of like different sizes. Making them just a little bit bigger than that first row that we had. And we can throw some kind of smaller ones in towards the tail. Then we're going to put some even bigger ones back here, making them kind of angle back. And we're just kind of filling up the space here. So we're just going to kind of fill up all these areas. And we'll really fill it up on the tail. Next, I'm even going to add some spikes right on the back of our Mutadon's head, just to give it a little bit more of like an interesting look. Now let's come in here and add some of the different fun details. So I'm going to make some little broken lines kind of right around the top and the bottom of the mouth. And then I'm even going to put some little lines that go up and down on the top and bottom. I'm going to put some little curved lines around here, and then some little lines kind of right around the neck area. We'll even put some lines on the back here. We'll add some little curved lines kind of right around the arms and the legs. And then we'll make some little lines that are just going to kind of come right around the arms here. We'll make some kind of long broken lines going up the wings here, even on this one too. We'll make some little curves here on the knee. And then we'll make some little lines that kind of come up and down on the legs. We'll make some kind of long broken lines on the tail. And then a few kind of curved lines on here just to kind of shape things out for our little Mutadon. Even a few lines on the body here. Kind of shape out that shoulder. And there you go, there is your drawing of a level 40 Mutadon from Jurassic World the Game, if they actually had this character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.